Today we're making one of the most iconic dishes in Nicaragua, Baho. But this is not just any cooking video, this is a special edition because we're cooking right here at FranMat Pool Club in Tisma, Masaya, Nicaragua. So what is Baho? Baho is a traditional Nicaraguan dish made with beef, yuca, and plantains, all steamed together using banana leaves. It's not just food, it's culture, family, and tradition. There are many ways of making Baho. Some use briskets, others use ribs, but today, I'll show you my way. By the end of this video, we're going to sit down, enjoy this delicious meal, and take in one of the most relaxing views you'll ever experience. Make sure you stay until the end. Trust me, it's all worth it. FranMat Pool Club is open to the public on Saturdays and Sundays. They offer a semi-Olympic pool, kids area, food, drinks, both national and international, plus rooms, bungalows, and event spaces. If you're looking for a place to relax, celebrate, or just enjoy a great weekend, this is it.
Y después la
And don't
levanta
forget
porque
to subscribe
solo
for
la
more
levantadita y por
experiences like this. We're starting this journey the traditional way, going to the farm to get fresh ingredients. This is what makes Nicaragua cooking special. It's fresh, local, and full of flavors. Now we're going into the heart of this recipe, the meat. This is where all the flavor begins. I'm using entraña and cecina because together they give you the perfect balance of tenderness and traditional flavor. If you can't find these cuts, don't worry. Brisket, chuck, or even short ribs will work perfectly. First, we're going to slightly wash the meat using water with a little vinegar or a lime to clean it without losing flavor. Avoid overwashing because that can strip away the natural richness of the meat. Now I'm going to start fileteando the entraña from the thinnest side to the thickest, opening it up without cutting all the way through. This technique helps the marinade really soak into every layer of the meat. Next, I'll cut the cecina into medium strips, not too thin, because we want it to stay juicy during the cooking. Now we're about to put 1 tablespoon of salt per pound of meat. In my case, about 7 tablespoons total. Then I pour in bitter orange juice, making sure every piece is fully coated. We're going to get a head of garlic and we're going to crush it. Then we're going to cut it, not too fine, so that we keep the bold flavor. We're going to slice a large white onion into rings. We're going to cut 2 peppers into strips. And we're going to slice tomatoes into rings. We're going to cover with aluminum foil and let it marinate. I like to marinate it at least for 4 hours. If you're able to, leave it overnight and definitely refrigerate if possible. While the meat is marinating, we're going to prepare all the sides that make Baho so special. Let's start with the yuca. This root is filling and absorbs all the amazing flavors from the meat. Cut, peel the thick skin, and don't forget to remove the tough core in the center. Now for the green plantains. These give structure and slightly firm texture to the dish. Slice the ends, make a cut along the peel, and carefully remove the skin. For the sweet plantains, you can peel them and keep them whole so they caramelize naturally during cooking. The combination of green and ripe plantains is what gives baho its perfect balance of savory and sweet. Take your time with this step. Good prep makes cooking much easier later. Make sure everything is clean, evenly cut, and ready to go before we start assembling. This is also a great moment to enjoy the process. Cooking baho is not a rush. It's meant to be an experience. Before we continue, I want to give you a quick preview of what's coming. Just look at this finished baho, tender meat, soft yuca, and perfectly cooked plantains. You could already see how juicy everything is and how the flavors come together. And the smell, it's smoky, citrusy, and rich all at the same time. This is why baho is such a beloved dish in Nicaragua. If you've never tried this before, today is the perfect time to learn. And if you have, you know exactly why it's worth the effort. We're just getting started to the best part, so don't go anywhere. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out any experiences like this. All right, let's get back to building this incredible dish. Now comes one of the most important steps, assembling the baho. We're using a large pot, and at the bottom, I'm placing branches to keep the food elevated. This allows everything to cook by steam instead of by boiling in water. Next, I'm going to be adding banana leaves. Make sure to rinse them first and remove any dirt. Banana leaves adds an earthy flavor that makes this dish truly authentic. Now we're going to start layering. First the yuca, creating the solid base. Then the green plantains. And sweet plantains go on top. Next comes the marinated meat along with all those delicious juices. We finish with onions, peppers, tomatoes, and a touch of salt. Finally, we cover everything tightly with banana leaves, plastic, and a lid to trap all the flavors inside. Now we move on to the cooking process, and patience is key here. We're using firewood, which gives the baho a deeper, more traditional flavor, keeping the heat at a steady medium, not too high, not too low. The dish will take about 3 to 4 hours to cook properly. Every 30 to 40 minutes, check the water level around the edges. Add more water if needed, but don't pour it directly over the food. Avoid opening the pot too often, or you'll lose the heat and steam. You'll know it's getting close when the aroma becomes rich and irresistible. The meat should be tender and the yuca should be soft but not falling apart. This slow cooking process is what brings everything together into one unforgettable dish. While the baho finishes cooking, I'm going to prepare the final touch, which is a fresh salad. We're going to be using cabbage and carrots for a crispy, refreshing contrast. And here it is, our finished baho, made from scratch. Just look at those layers, the meat, the yuca, the plantains, all perfectly cooked. The aroma alone tells you this is something special. Now we're going to sit down and enjoy this meal right here in FranMat Pool Club with this beautiful view, and it doesn't get much better than this. This is more than food. It's an experience, a tradition, and a moment to share. I hope this inspires you to try making baho at home. And if you do, let me know how it turns out. Thank you for being a part of this journey with me, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing experiences like this. See you in the next one.